The moon of Titan. Titan is a moon of Saturn that has lakes and rivers that I am going to explore for life by using rovers and drones. This is the flight path of my rocket. It will slingshot off the sun and go many years to where it will orbit around Saturn. This graph shows the distance related to the time in seconds it will take to get to the moon of Titan. My rocket will use uranium, a radioactive element, to propel the rocket forward. Uranium and liquid hydrogen fuses together in a process of nuclear fusion and creates a nuclear reaction, causing it to propel the rocket. The rocket's frame will be made out of a titanium aluminum alloy, which is a very strong material that NASA has been using for a while now. These are heat shields. Heat shields are used as a shell protective layer to help protect against heat in case the rocket needs to go back to Earth for refueling. This graph relates the initial height and the time to show you how I got my velocity and how high my rocket has gone based on that velocity. And my initial velocity was 0.55 meters. This graph relates the initial height of the Kronos 1 rocket to the total time it took, and that together equals my whole velocity. This graph shows a comparison between the Kronos 1 rocket's velocity and the Kronos 2 velocity. This graph shows the max height of the Kronos 2 rocket while it was in flight. This graph shows the max height of the Kronos 1 rocket while it was in flight. This graph compares the max height of Kronos 1 and Kronos 2 rocket. Taking a new step is what people fear most. Fyodor Dostoevsky, Russian novelist and military engineer.